Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning, going to average out mostly cloudy today. We'll have a bit more cloudiness for the late afternoon hours as a backdoor cold front slides through the area. This backdoor cold front the last few days has been a tough forecast and looks like it will be slower than was forecasted the last few days, and that's going to allow for us to see temperatures in the mid to upper 70s for highs today. Looking at our 9Z surface analysis, we had this area of high pressure off to our south as well as a cold front to our north. That's allowing for us to have southwesterly flow this morning. That southwesterly flow will last till about the afternoon hours, and then we'll see our winds turn onshore out of the southeast and then more towards the northeast during the evening hours as this backdoor cold front slides south of the region. Looking at our current observations as well as our infrared satellite and radar, had some showers across from New Jersey this morning moving off the coast. Have a light southerly wind to southwesterly wind this morning. As I mentioned, temperatures rising already up into the upper 60s as of 8:15 this morning. You can see those temperatures continue to climb until those winds shift onshore for the afternoon hours. Could see a few pop-up showers, especially across the western portions of the Delmarva Peninsula today, and a slight chance of those occurring here at Wallops. Looking at our latest HRRR run for the derived reflectivity, kind of give you an idea of what the radar may look like this afternoon. Here's 2 o'clock this afternoon. Does pop up a very light rain shower just north of the Wallops region. I think that's probably our best chance of seeing any rainfall here. When we continue on, you can see the rain showers to the west of the region and possibly trying to move over the region during the late afternoon and the early evening hours. Expecting that to be a very slight chance of occurring, as I do expect this convective activity to be more located in central Virginia than over the Chesapeake Bay. And then we move into the late evening hours and the overnight hours, we'll have this cold front move back as a warm front, and that could provide us with additional chance of a few light rain showers. Looking at our current observation as of 8 a.m. this morning, we had 7 layers of clouds out there, a few at 2,000, broken at 7, 9, and 25,000. Winds have a 220-degree azimuth at 5 knots, temperature 68 degrees, and relative humidity at 78%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 70s for this afternoon. Southwesterly winds this morning turning southeasterly, becoming 8 to 13 knots during the afternoon hours, and then we'll see that backdoor cold front slide south of the region during the late afternoon into the evening hours, and that's going to provide us with a northeasterly flow, 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 18 knots after that cold front does move south of the region. We'll have a slight chance of some precipitation in form of some light rain showers during the afternoon hours today as well as the early overnight hours tonight. Looking about a 20% chance of that occurring, so one with a yellow for both of those time periods. We'll have a low tonight of 57 degrees. Very slight chance of some low cloudiness overnight. Looks like that should remain about a 10% chance of occurring. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, very different cloud coverage out there throughout the time period, so just going to go to the highlights, seeing a slight chance of some rainfall from about 11 local to 1600 local today. Then we'll see additional slight chance of some rainfall during the early overnight hours from 1 local to 5 local, and then by tomorrow morning could see some lower level cloudiness in here with that frontal boundary kind of still lingering over the region with a slight chance of broken deck at 800 feet. Our tides are slightly above normal currently. I'm looking into Thursday into Friday. Thursday will be mostly cloudy, a slight chance of low cloudiness during the morning, then partly to mostly cloudy during the afternoon. It's slightly breezy with a high of 72 degrees on Thursday, and onshore breezes should keep us capped in the lower 70s for a high on Thursday. Thursday night we'll see partly cloudy and unseasonably mild temperatures, a low of 63 degrees, and for Friday mostly cloudy with a slight chance of an afternoon evening rain shower. Slightly breezy winds, high of 77 degrees on Friday. I have a yellow for our winds, and looking like the precipitation chances should remain below 15% on Friday as the cold front weakens as it tries to move through the region as well as dries out. So keeping that green right now. Have to continue to monitor whether we see that rainfall chances increase for our Friday afternoon evening. That's going to complete our 8:15 weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.